Welcome to Viralgistplus. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video. Today is all about Pastor Odumeje's church that was being demolished by the Anambra State government. It was alleged that this Pastor Odumeje's church is on waterways, and that was why they had to demolish part of the church. Because before we all thought the old building was actually demolished, but it was only the part that was actually obstructing the waterway flow. That was where the government just had to demolish, and there's a statement that states that they've been given 2 weeks notice before the demolition. But now, why now the slapping and beating? Are the security personnel meant to do? It's just so uncivilized. Stating to watch the remaining of the building that wasn't demolished, and also how everything went down. Thank you so much for staying tuned to this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share.
The rumor is going viral that Odumeje Church has been demolished. This is contrary to what happened. That is false. Odumeje Church has not been demolished, but the security house at the front of Odumeje Church, the security house, security post, that is a little bit close to the drainage. That is what was demolished. You can see Odumeje Church is still intact. The security post is what was demolished, not Odumeje Church. So please, the Lions family all over the world, let us be notified that our church is not in an obstructive way. Our church is still intact. Nothing happened to it. Our church has not been demolished.
It's okay. I can calm down now, you know.